guys, I am Vanshika Vishnoi and I am a CA aspirant. Recently, I have given December 2020 attempt for CA Foundation and I am currently waiting for my results. I want to share a small part of my journey with you all. I completed my 11th and 12th from St. Mary's School, which is an ICSE board school, and scored a good. When I told my father that I want to do CA, he suddenly asked me about the fees, and because he always wanted to me to have the best education. He suddenly asked me about the fees, and I told him about the registration fees and all of CA. And then he said, okay, I will give you the money and you do the registration. So it was all fine. But when it comes to coachings for CA have so high fees. They are so expensive. Like there's a fees of for pen drive classes 5,000 per subject for CA Foundation and at least 12,000 per subject for CA Intermediate. So totally it costs around 1 lakh above. So there are many middle class families like me and others which are unable to pay fees of such institutions which are so expensive, and somehow thinking about these coachings they drop their idea of becoming a CA. बट वो कहते हैं ना, हर प्रॉब्लम का कोई ना कोई सोल्यूशन तो ज़रूर होता है. सो इस प्रॉब्लम का भी एक सोल्यूशन ज़रूर था, बस ज़रूरत थी तो उसे ढूंढने की. एंड गाइस, द सोल्यूशन टू दिस प्रॉब्लम इज़ सॉल्व बाय अनअकैडमी. हम सभी ने अनअकैडमी के एड्स तो टीवी पर ज़रूर देखे होंगे. So I came across Unacademy in June 2020 while I was preparing for my CA Foundation exams, and the teachers, Unacademy provides top educators for each and every field for which are present in these competitive exams like IIT, Railways, CA, CS, etc. And they have recently started coaching for CA this year. Our batch was first one for CA Foundation, and I am very privileged to have studied from all those teachers like CACS Anshul Agarwal sir, CA Nishant Kumar sir, CACS Swati ma'am, CA Indresh Gandhi sir, CA Pranav Popat sir, and our financial analyst Akhilesh Daga sir, and Vikram Biani sir, who is teaching us in Inters, and CA Shrey Rathi sir, CA Tejas Suchak sir, CA Alina Rais ma'am, and there are many more. And of course CA Rahul sir, who taught me law, and Anshul sir taught me accounts, and my favorite one is Anshul sir, Nishant sir, and Rahul sir. Even if you don't take the subscription, you can have access to special classes and YouTube classes, and you can prepare for your exams. But if you take the plus subscription, you have the advantage like you can have notes from the teachers, the books which the teachers themselves provide, and the books are the best. I swear, the content which the teachers provide on Unacademy is the best, and their teachings is unmatchable by anyone else. If you study on Unacademy, then you have the best faculty, and you don't need to worry anything else. As my sir says, हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे, साथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Even the day of our exam, we had a practice with our teachers. That morning we practiced with our teachers. And guys, you know what means? It was just amazing experience to study CA Foundation, and I am going to prepare my further CA Intermediate with Unacademy only. I have taken the subscription of 24 months, and the Unacademy platform is the best. For me, it's the best. And to all who are watching this, I request you to take Unacademy Plus subscription, or even if you don't take, you should at least once you should visit this app who are pursuing CA. I am sure that definitely you will choose to take Unacademy subscription. So I think कि Unacademy एक ऐसी किरण है जो बच्चों को अंधेरे में रोशनी देती है. So this was the best thing which I found in my CA journey to study, and I am very happy to study from all the teachers. After my preparation, my exams have gone very well, and I hope to get the result good. And now recently Unacademy has launched, our Bahubali team has launched a warm-up batch for all the students who are like me, who are waiting for their CA Foundation results for CA Intermediate. And for May 21, the foundation batches are already going on, and that warm-up batch is just incredible. It is to provide us confidence in CA Intermediate. एक उम्मीद देता है that we can do. उसने उस वार्म अप बैच से इतना कुछ सीखने को मिला, एंड यू नो जस्ट मस्ती मस्ती में ही सब पढ़ाई हो जाती है. Guys, you all might be thinking that online education is not means there is no interaction, or something is lacking in that online education, but no. On Unacademy, we have proper interaction with the teachers and personalized attention too. It completely feels like offline classes, and I just love Unacademy. I am fallen in love with Unacademy, and I am studying I have studied foundation, and I am going to study my inter from Unacademy only. There are 8 subjects, and the total cost for CA Foundation as well as CA Intermediate is just 18,000 rupees after using the discount codes. And you see the difference, which the amount which was going 1 lakh above in previous times, now we have it just in 18,000 rupees. So you can yourself can compare the difference, and for me Unacademy is best. So guys, I myself personally recommend you to take the Unacademy subscription or study from Unacademy. It's your choice, and the best experience I had till now, and I'm going to have my CA Intermediate journey, and I'm very excited for it. I am very excited for my result. Hope the results will be declared soon. And if you go on the link which I have provided in the description, you will have whole knowledge about how to use the app and how to access all the lectures. And I have provided the link of all the channels of Unacademy for foundation and intermediate, and the cost is very less for taking the subscription of Unacademy Plus. Like, it's just 18,000, and after using the discount code of any teacher, and you can have access to all the lectures of all the educators, and you can study from whoever you want, and the educators are the top educators of India for each and every subject.